Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this USB charging station from Ziwodiv with 8 ports and a total of 60 watts output, maximum 12 amps in total. So very impressive specs. We have also some information here in the back. It looks like the model number is I6, so looks like the maximum output per port is 2.4 amps, but we are going to check that out. So let's open the box and see what we get. So we have the white device, comes in either black or white, very beautiful. Then we have the power cable, so it doesn't need any kind of transformer. We can hook up the power cable directly to the 110 volts or even 240 volts. That's really nice, so we can use it worldwide, and then this side of the plug goes directly into this USB charging hub. And it's not only beautiful, I would say it's very solid built, also very compact, absolutely perfect for travel and other things. Yeah, a lot of people are using multi-port USB chargers these days, but most are using such things without display. But I think it's really important to buy something with a display, because it's not only important to see if some device is charging, you also want to know how fast it is charging. Sometimes devices are charging really slow, and then you are stuck with almost endless charge. You can exactly see what's going on and then take some measures. So we plug it in, and then you can see after some time it will turn on automatically the display. By the way, the display is solid, it's not flickering, no nothing. It's just a problem with my camera here. So there's absolutely no problem here. Very beautiful, easy to see. So let's try and charge a couple of devices. Of course, you can charge any kind of USB device, no matter if it's a phone or camera or tablet or power bank or other things. So here we are charging already the power bank, and next is the phone. You can see as soon as I plug it in, it goes into charge. And let's also do the camera, the GoPro here on the right side. Now let's check the display. And while it's charging, the display is cycling through all the active devices. I mean, as soon as some device is full, it won't show this port anymore. So you can see at the moment it's charging on port 1, which is the one here. Then it's charging on port 2, it's the one here, and on port 8. But because two of these devices are pretty full, it will then finally just show the number 8, which is the only one which will be charged at the end, which is the camera. So even though you have a rather small display, it's showing all the information which is needed. That's really nice. So let's see how much power we can get out at maximum. By the way, of course, what you also see is the voltage, 5.27 volts, which is really nice. The higher the better. We can also see the confirmation here. Then we are at 1 amp, and so we are starting using the power, and you can see it goes automatically to the 8, shows 1.1 amp. Of course, there's a little bit of loss in the cable, but it's absolutely no problem. So we increase the power, and you can see it's almost matching on both sides. Yeah, very close. So looks like the meter, the built-in meter here is really good. So we can go even higher, 2.4, which is the maximum which is listed. And we check on the voltage. Voltage is still at 4.8, which is really good. So let's go back to the amps and increase. Let's see how high we can get and how safe this really is. At some point it should stop increase, or it should stop completely. Let's see what happens. Now we are even at 3.4, whopping 3.4, and you can see we cannot go much higher. I think 3.6, 3.7. Yeah, now we increase it even a little bit more, almost 5 amps. Yeah, that's a little bit crazy. And we have yeah, okay, you can see the voltage goes a little bit down, but absolutely no problem. I mean, we are way above what they are describing as maximum the listing, so there's absolutely no problem. So you can see this is very, very powerful, and absolutely nothing happened. when we pull a little bit more, it will then over time just reduce the voltage, and then the device will stop consuming so much power. So there's a really nice regulation here, really nice safety built in. I mean, it has over current protection, over voltage protection, it has overheating protection, so many good things here built in. So we can definitely call it fast charge, but there's no official quick charge compatibility, no quick charge 2.0, 3.0, also no PD here, so no higher voltage. The voltage is always 5 volts or a little bit above, but I mean, it's compatible with everything which is using standard 5 volts USB, like all the Apple device, Samsung, and all the other devices. What's also important that we have a really low ripple oscillation. The maximum which we are allowing usually is 2%, which would be around 100 millivolts, and when we are watching this thing, I hope you can see that. So the maximum which I have seen so far is around 20, maybe 25. So this confirms that they are using high quality components here inside. So I would say really nice thing. It's beautiful, it's compact, it's very versatile, so absolutely awesome for travel or at home. So really good device to charge all the things for you or you from your family. So I can highly recommend it, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order the drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.